my god, guys, my cassavas have gone bad. I overstayed with them. I'm not supposed to overstay with them. Now look. Oh, worlds. Oh, worlds. Hi guys, welcome once again to my kitchen. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you've not subscribed, kindly consider subscribing and joining the family. Also, one more important thing, guys, kindly watch this video to the end. Okay, watch it to the end. You will have supported me big time. So thank you so much for clicking today on our kitchen, because you can see we are in the kitchen and I'm about to make something delicious. Yes guys, something delicious for you, my people. So guys, most of the time cassava is, I feel like cassava is not given the, what can I say, it's underrated. Exactly, that's the word. Most of the time I feel like cassava is underrated. Like we leave it to do stuff like porridge, making ugali, but we don't know we can do so much with cassava, guys. So today is one of those days that I'm going to show you something very delicious that you can make out of cassava, guys. So now I have my cassavas here, so I'll be showing you in a bit, and I want to make this delicious snack here. So normally I just make it for my family. We just have tea with it. Yeah, you can also use it, by the way, for breakfast. Yeah, sawa. So now guys, join me in making this meal. Is it a meal or a snack? I think it's a snack. Yeah. So guys, I want to show you something good you can make out of cassava. Instead of just boiling it and taking it like that, you can also just make something good. Okay, so watch as I turn my cassava into something delicious. Okay, so guys, let's start the video. So guys, a disclaimer: don't just buy cassavas anywhere. Number one thing that you should know is that not all cassava are edible. They are like, you can't just cook any cassava. There are some that are not supposed to be cooked. You just have to dry it so that the do we call it poison or something, yeah, goes away, and then you just take it to the posho mill and then it becomes flour. You can use it for ugali or porridge. But now this type of cassava is the one that you can actually cook. So just don't go outside there and just buy any cassava. They are different because if you consume the ones that are not supposed to be eaten or to be cooked, yeah, that is the word, you might end up somewhere else. So ensure that when you're buying cassava, be very careful. Buy from somebody you know. Don't just buy randomly, okay? So for me, these ones came, my mother have planted them, and we are sure they are good. They are the ones that are supposed to be eaten, so that I'm eating them. So let's start the video. OMG, my cassava has gone bad, guys. Wow. Wow, guys, look at that. My cassava has gone bad. Smart. Wow. Birds. my god, guys, my cassavas have gone bad. I overstayed with them. I'm not supposed to overstay with them. Now look. Oh, worlds. Oh, worlds. And the way I love these things, oh my god, look at that. It has gone totally bad. Lion.
Yes, a lion is an animal.
Okay.
Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
Eh? Gani? Hebu uliza Didi yako hapo karibu akuambie. It has gone bad, guys. Look at that. Guys, I was advised not to leave them overstay, but who am I? They just overstayed a little bit, and this is what we have. This is the situation. So most of them have gone bad, but anyway. So what we have left are these ones only. So all of these are bad. What? But anyway, we'll work with what we have. Cassava. Okay. So you remove this inner line here. There is something like a rope inside there. Sure, you remove it. I don't know why, but because I was taught you're supposed to remove it, I remove it.
Mama,
Yo,
Mama,
hey,
Mama, maybe it's
inaiva. Wow, nah, good, good. Yes, KK. Moyo wangu. So guys, I'm done. So now the next thing is that I'm going to wash them and then we boil them. And then after that, you see what I'm going to do with it. Okay, stick there guys. So guys, our cassava boiled well, and right now we are making the most delicious snack. Let me just call it snack here. And so what I did, because I'm cooking them, I just deep fried, and look at how beautiful they look. Wow, this is so good guys. Imagine these are cassava, very sweet. Very very sweet. You can even eat them with your sauce of choice, and your family will love them. Okay, so make cassava this way guys. You just deep fry. After boiling, you deep fry. Okay, so look at how that looks like. Wow. I like it. It looks so good and it tastes so good as well. Yeah, this is a meal you should try for your family. Okay guys, look at how beautiful that looks like. Wow, look at that guys. It is delicious, just the way it looks. Very very delicious. So guys, just try making cassava this way, and I assure you, you'll like it, you'll love it. Yeah, your babies, your family will love it. So give it a try and make it like this. Yeah, so that was it guys. So thank you so much for clicking and watching up to that point, or up to this point. Don't forget to subscribe and like, show me some love. Okay, so thank you, bye bye. so good. Guys, try it on your end and tell me.